red gear controller. This joystick is not working properly. Let's fix it. Open all the screws. Remove the back cover aside. Lift the logic board with opener. Put aside the front cover. Remove joysticks caps. Remove conductive rubber with opener. Clean logic board. It's hard to rotate. PCB cleaning. Clean the whole board with brush. Clean the conductive rubber too. Clean logic board again with cotton. Put PCB cleaning on trigger buttons. Press trigger button. Electronic cleaner. Put electronic cleaner on joysticks. Press and rotate the joystick buttons. Open joystick side cover with opener. Remove the metal plate. Clean the joystick side area with cotton. Clean metal plate with cotton. Clean the corners with sharp object. Put the metal plate back. Fix the metal plate perfectly. And close the joystick side cover. Joystick rotating perfectly. Opening the second joystick to see if there is any problem. Fix the metal plate. And close it. Blow hot air on both joysticks. Clean all the buttons. Put the conductive rubber back. Pull the conductive rubber lock from the other side. Clean the joystick caps. Put the joystick caps back. Put the logic board back on front cover. Tighten the logic board screws. Put back the motor connection back. Put the back cover back. Put back the side cover. Put back all the screws. Tighten all the screws back. All done. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.